Okay, now let's see some of the types of pointers. In that first one is null pointer. A null pointer is the pointer that does not point to any memory location. It's often used to initialize the pointers before assigning them valid memory addresses or to indicate that a pointer is not currently pointing to any valid data. Here is a simple example of using null pointer. So what happens here? So we have seen that the pointer variable is pointer to some other variables of the same data type. Okay. However, in the same cases, in some cases, what happens? We may prefer to build a null pointer, which is special pointer value that does not point anywhere. Okay. This means that null pointer does not point to any valid memory address. Okay. So what happens? So what happens here? So this is the um, inside the main character. Now initializing a pointer variable to null. Okay, we are declared pointer variable and initializing it to null. So what happens? Attempting to dereferencing a null pointer. Okay, so some of the time what happens? We are attempting to dereference a null pointer. So we are trying to get a value from the null pointer means this may lead to undefined behavior. So it's important to check for null before dereferencing. Okay. In this example, we are just checking if the pointer is null before dereferencing. So if pointer is not equal to null, then this should be avoided if pointer is null. Okay, this should be avoided if pointer is null. Okay. Now the program checks them whether the pointer is null before attempting to dereference it. So what happens if it is not null, then only the pointer is assigned a value 10. Okay, star ptr 10. Then printing those values. Else what happens? Pointer is null, cannot dereference. Okay.